Nginibingelele nginamukele bafowethu emakhaya. Okhulumayo lapha phambi kwenu uhlula umthakathi. Kanti uhlelo lubizwa ngokuthi isintu ngescience. Okuyilapho sisuke sibhekisisa kabanzi ngemvelaphi yomuntu, impilo, imvelo kanye nomdali wakho konke. Uyabona? And siyasigxile kakhulu kuma topics abandakanya kakhulu spirituality kanye nento ogama layo engikholwa ukuthi usuyalazi manje. You don't have to understand what it means, but just as long as you know leli gama niswakwalizwa igama elithi matrix kanye nama programs wakhona. Kusho ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-matrix bese kuba nama programs ngaphansi kwaleyo matrix. I-matrix bafethu yona mbangela noma ngizothi nje isizathu esiholela ekutheni thina njengabantu njengoba siphila nje kube kuningi esiyithola singakwazi ngalempilo esiyiphilayo. Kunjalo nje siyayisitshela ukuthi sazi konke ngalempilo esiyiphilayo according to imfundo noma imfundiso esiyayisithole kuma institutions afana nesikole, science nesonto. Therefore siyasitshela well, we are knowledgeable, we know well enough, and especially nakwi history futhi. Njengoba sengibalileke i-matrix nama programs wakhona ukuthi kukhona ama programs, lawo ma programs yizo izinto ezifana ne-education, yizo izinto ezifana ne-economy, yizo izinto ezifana namasonto, i-religion njalo njalo. Onke lawo ama programs we-matrix to ensure ukuthi thina kahle kahle asiyazi imvelaphi yethu namandla ethu. Izinkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-cosmology noma lento abayibiza nge-space science. Uyabona? Noma nje singathi i-cosmic history. Kanye ne-space science, i-quantum physics, i-molecular biology, i-physical sciences, i-biology kanye ne-human anatomy, i-kinetic science kanye ne-Merkaba mechanics. Ngicela ukuthi senze i-recap ukuthi sikhulume ngani ku le video edlule. Uyabona ukuze sizokwazi ke ukuqhubeka. Kule video endlule bese sichaza kabanzi nge-nature kaNkulunkulu. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahle kahle ukanjani, usesimweni sikanjani. Ngalo ndlela I was trying so hard to deprogram you from indlela wena obusumazi ngakhona uNkulunkulu, ngoba wena umazi ngokuthi uJehova and it's a being, actually a physical being like you ohlala in the ether or emkhathini or ezulwini phezulu. And to refer to that place, well siyasikhombe ke umkhathi vele, but sazi ukuthi utholakala le ekujuleni komkhathi, and uyakhona lo uNkulunkulu from time to time ukuthi ehle afike lana emhlabeni akwazi ukuvisitha njalo njalo. Uyabona? That's how we know God and understand God according to incwadi engcwele. But ke ngiye ngakusharela ama perspectives wami as to kahle kahle uNkulunkulu uyini, and include a whole lot of scientifical aspects lapho ngiye ngagxila kabanzi kwi-energy. Basically I was speaking about two aspects of reality, which is the energy or noma the energetic aspects of reality and the biological aspects of reality. Ngakutshela ngathi the biological aspects of reality were manifested by the energetic parts, because the energetic part manifests everything. In fact, ngaze ngakutshela ngathi everything that there is in the multiverse was manifested by this primal source of energy esiyibiza ngo-electromagnetism. Ngase ngithi kuwe uyena uNkulunkulu kwelowo. If you so desperately looking for a God, at least mucabange uNkulunkulu njengento ethi ayibe kanjalo. God is the infinite source of energy. Infinite means ukuthi this energy was there before. There was never a time like kuthiwa khona this energy is not. It has always been. You know, it has got no beginning and no end. It's unquestionable. That's why njalo mase sikhulume ngale energy siyayithole sisebenzisa le sign lega infinity, which means if you are truly trying to understand the nature of God, you will find God ukuthi it's an infinity. There's no beginning, there's no end. And this infinite source of energy cannot be recreated or destroyed. Uyabona usho kanjalo umthetho we-physics ngento ekuthiwa i-energy nje at large. It's just that thina besinga understand ukuthi kwayona le energy kufundiswa ngayo laphana kwa-physical sciences yiyo le energy sikhuluma ngayo uye uNkulunkulu lo, and it's called the electromagnetic field or the electromagnetism. And it's messed up because science iyayiphambanisa lento i-electromagnetism ibala as one of the forces of nature, which is not true because the rest of the forces of nature were manifested by this energy. Bafethu, le energy manifested all things that we know, from the galaxies to the universes to the planets to the stars, the celestial bodies, the solar systems, njalo njalo. Nature, the environments, humanity, konke singacabanga bafethu kwengamelwe ile energy le esithi uNkulunkulu. Kuza kanjalo ukuthi size simbize ngokuthi menzi wazo zonke izinto, menzi weinto zonke, noma mdali wezulu nomhlaba namazulu njalo njalo. Simbiza ukuthi ukhande konke, and uyile energy akasiso isiqu esiwumuntu njengawe. Right? That is the whole summary of uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyini and ungubani. Sase siphinda sibhekisisa kabanzi ke manje bafowethu the manifestation processes of le energy yeke. Angithi in the beginning ekuqaleni kwazo zonke izinto, as much as city this energy does not have a beginning and an end, but we're referring in terms of the primal manifestations before all things, right? Yona yayivele ikhona. You know, ngishilo ukuthi ukuyiquestiona we never get to a point whereby we find answers if we are trying to question the originality of this energy, because it is the all. You know, who are you to question this energy when it created you? You're not going to find answers. You're going to find certain answers. They are not going to satisfy you. That is why we use this sign, because everything you're going to find, which everything circulates around this energy, right? This infinite source of energy. Lungileke. Nakho-ke le energy azikakabikho zonke izinto njengoba nencwadi engcwele ichaza iBhayibheli ukuthi in the beginning it was just void or darkness, kwangekho lutho, but the spirit of God yiyo le energy, yiyona yayikhona before zonke izinto zibe khona. Lokho okusho ukuthi zonke izinto ziyi-holographic projection of le energy, noma zonke izinto zikhandwe nguNkulunkulu, but they are not real in that essence. Only God is true. The rest, it's more like projections or creations of the mind of God. Sibona ngokuthi lezi zinto ziyaphela somehow. For an example, umzimba wakho nje wena you are God kulo mzimba wakho. Therefore, uNkulunkulu mase kukhipha kulo mzimba lo usaluwe, ithempeli elisalaliwe. That says a lot about lempilo esiyiphilayo, it being a holographic projection of the mind of God. Now, mawungezwa ngikhuluma kakhulu about the mind of God, that is where we're speaking about God as consciousness and intention. Now, I'm trying to say ukuthi in order for God to manifest zonke lezi zinto esesinazo today, God had to be involved. Noma this energy had to be involved. First of all, asiqale la. Mawulibungezwa ngithi energy, ungacabanga ukuthi sikhuluma ngento. We're speaking about an entity. Yes, a being like you. It's just that it's not in that format that when you would expect, as in to say it would be in umzimba njengawe. No, it's a conscious energy field. It's an energy field that is conscious, and it has thoughts and intentions. So kahle kushuthi indlela eyona order right esingachaza ngayo uNkulunkulu singathi God is a conscious energy field that has an intention. Uyabona? Noma God is an energy field that is conscious and has an intention. That intention iyona spark eyenza ukuthi zimemfuke zonke izinto zikhandeke inhloso. In the beginning there was uNkulunkulu nenhloso yakhe before kube khona zonke izinto. Ngaleyo nhloso wase waqala wahlala phansi waba involved wacabanga basically ngolimo oluzwakalayo. Waba involved kuma thought processes okusho ukuthi yonke lento esesinayo namhlanje waqala wahlala phansi uNkulunkulu wa meditate for as long as it needed or as long as he needed. Ngicela ukusebenzisa igama elithi he because it's not really, it doesn't have gender, it's just energy. So ngizothi as long as it needed. But then again, it sounds like disrespect, mangiti eat. But then again, God doesn't mind, you know, because God is the all. So this conscious energy field, it set down yacabanga yonke into before ikhanda. That is why emfundisweni zami lapha ku TikTok ngiyaye ngigcizelele now ukuthi be careful of how you think. Qaphela imicabango yakho iyadala. And kunama video amaningi engiwakhiphile lapha na kwa TikTok ngihleze ngikutshela ukuthi uzenza wena by the way you think. It is very deep. We have to understand the human anatomy in order to understand what does uHlulu Mthakathi mean when he always comes here and say ukuthi siyazenza through the way we think. Izimo esabhekane nazo ukulahlekelwa abazali, ukuluza ibhizinisi, and all of that. You mean siyazenza thina? My answer is yes. Mawuthi kanjani, then we'd have to go deep and understand the human anatomy, understand your emotional, your emotions, understand your thought processes and patterns, understand how you function, understand the things that you say, the behaviors, the habits, the things that you do, they primarily influence izinto noma izimo eziza nguwe, because the way you think and feel comes together to make up something called the electromagnetism noma electromagnetic field. Kuphume nge-auric field yomzimba wakho to circulate around the planet to look for lezi zimo ezinale energy encryption elaphana eqhamuke emqondweni yakho ephume from your own auric field. So we bring all these situations to ourselves, but asibuyele la kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu then sat down before. Uyabona ukuthi mangathiwa sithi yonke lento uNkulunkulu wayikhanda kanjani? Wayephethe itorofe lana, wayephethe ivatet pass, wayephetheni, wayephethe tape emeja? No. God was in a state of meditation, a deep state of thinking, focusing and creating and building yonke into ngani ngomucabango wakhe. And leyo mcabango leyo ndlela yokudala wakunika nawe ukuthi you are going to use le ndlela le to do almost anything ofuna ukuyenza kulo mhlaba or under these dimensions. Yonke into ofuna ukuyenza uyoyenza ngalokho. You are not going to pray, you are not going to phahla to edlozini, you are not going to ask from a government, you are going to think and it's going to come to you. Laba basikhohlisayo, they know that. That's why they are trying to get us to use our own minds to work against us. We are always sitting here manifesting the things that we don't want ezimpilweni zethu because they are embedded deep and grave deep in our subconscious mind. And they are constantly influencing our subconscious mind to manifest these things esingazifuni. Asiphumeke lapho, because that is too political. Asingene la kuye manifestation. Nangu uNkulunkulu eqaleni there sitting thinking about the universe, the galaxy, the planets, the realities, all uyacabanga uNkulunkulu. That was the process of creation. Uma ngabe seqedile ukucabanga, lokho akucabanga eqala sekuyaqala kuyamanifesta. Because we previous videos sikhulume kakhulu about the biological aspects of reality and the energetic aspect of reality. The energetic aspect uNkulunkulu njengoba ngichaza ukuthi uyini uyi-energy nama-thought processes wakhe. It's the energy processes bese kuzovela okwenyama. Kusho ukuthi masikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu in a form of i-energy ngolimi lwesintu nje emfihlakalweni. uNkulunkulu wayedwa emfihlakalweni lapho energy kulungileke, but igama esilibopha ngalo ukuthi imfihlakalo. That's why we use the word unseen or unseen realities. Okwakamoya okungabonwa ngamehlo but kukhona kuyaphila. Kusho ukuthi okwakamoya okungabonwa ngamehlo ikhona okungama causes. Lokho esikubona ngamehlo thina esikubiza ngezwe lenyama nathi izinto esikwazi ukuyibona ama effects lawo. That is why now mawugula noma unezimo uyashonelwa unamabhadi nani ungayi enyangeni uthi uyofuna amakhathakhathi ulapha ama effects. Go straight to the source, which is the mind, because the mind contains these energetic processes that creates the physical things that you go through. Uyabona. So uNkulunkulu ngokucabanga kwakhe seziyaqala ziyamanifest izinto ayicabangile. Kwase qala kwa manifesta the first energy construction. Energetically, it's energy construction. Biologically, yidalwa zokuqala ezakhandwa zisuka from uNkulunkulu, right? lezo idalwa lezo zazi in a form of umsindo. That's why iBhayibheli likhuluma kakhulu ngolizwi, or elesingisi lithi the word. In the beginning was God and the word. Sound. That's why there is a scientific study of umculo or sound per se. Umculo bafethu noma konke okunomsindo ngoba nephimbo lakho linomsindo. Umculo bafethu uyakwazi ukumanipulate energy, uyakwazi ukushape energy. Umuntu ungambulala ngomculo, ungamelapha futhi ngomculo. Umuntu ungambulala ngomlomo wakho, umelaphe futhi ngomlomo wakho. Why? Because it has sound properties. That is exactly sound. So idalwa zokuqala ezavela from uNkulunkulu, from the energetic aspect, from the infinite source of uNkulunkulu, zazi umsindo. Yabo wena nje umuntu nenyama unomzimba, nazo zinjalo ziyaphila zingabantu, kodwa manje ayinawo lo mzimba wakho, kunalokho zinomzimba sound. Right? I know that's complicated, but think of it in that way ukuthi mawudlala usound wena as njengoba uzodlala ispeaker sakho or i-sound system, think of lo sound owulalela ukuthi uyaphila, and njengoba ungena emadlebeni wakho uya-influence the entire body. Lezo idalwa zikanjalo. Now we'd have to go to the frequency spectrum in order to understand their true nature, ziwumsindo zinjalo. Now lezo idalwa lezo uNkulunkulu yena wayezethembile, wazinikeza yonke blueprint of creation, because yena wayengafuna ukusuka kwiposition yakhe. So wasenikeza lezi idalwa amandla obuNkulunkulu to act as yena, to further create. So kusho ukuthi yonke into uNkulunkulu wayikhanda ngesandla salezi idalwa lezi, because izona ezakhipha imithetho nemiyalelo, zakhanda zonke izinto yena akasukanga kwiposition yakhe. Uyabona? Fine ke lezo idalwa ziwumsindo ke. Ngalawo mandla ke eziwanikezwe uNkulunkulu zase zikhanda ezazo ke manje izidalwa. Lezi eziwumsindo zikhanda idalwa zazo manje. And lezo idalwa ezikhandwa lapho zona ke zingukukhanya. That's why libe selithi iBhayibheli wabe sethi uNkulunkulu akube khona ukukhanya ke, noma elesingisi lithi let there be light. Seliyachaza ke iBhayibheli ukuthi emva kokukhanya kwabe sekuvela zonke izinto. Basically lana scientifically sikhuluma noma energetically sikhuluma ukuthi in the beginning there was the infinite source of energy kuNkulunkulu. From there on kwase kuba khona the sound energy field. From the sound energy field kwavela the light energy field. That is electromagnetism on its own, siqedile nje. Uyama? Because ekugcineni khona ukukhanya njengoba nencwadi engcwele isho ukuthi zonke izinto zavela after ukukhanya. So lezi idalwa ezingumsindo nezi ukukhanya zase ihlangana nazo, zase zisho njengoNkulunkulu ukuthi asifuni ukusuka la esikhona. Njengoba noNkulunkulu engasukanga la ekhona wadala thina ukuthi sikhande konke, nathi asifuni ukusuka la esikhona ngoba kubalekile ukuthi sihlale la. Kodwa siyadinga ukuthi siqhubeke senze lento esiyicelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthe asikhande. Siyadinga ukukhanda, kodwa asifuni ukusuka la sihambe thina soyikhandela. Senze njani? Base bekukhanda ezabo kuyidalwa. Kusho ukuthi lezo idalwa lezo ezikhandwe umsindo, ulizwi nokukhanya noma sound and light properties of the electromagnetic field, nazo lezo idalwa zizoba nokukhanya zibe nomsindo. Right? Lokho kukhanya noma lowo msindo noma isimo salezo idalwa esaphuma ezakhandwa ulizwi nokukhanya ngenxa ukuthi ulizwi nokukhanya bakuleyo banaleyo energy encryption of light and sound. Lezo idalwa ke nazo zase ziba nama properties okukhanya nomsindo. Kushuthi nje singathi ngolimo oluzwakala kangcono hold on ngangikubhalile lapha phansi. Lide leliya gama ngiyalikhohla. Kushuthi lezi idalwa lezi they are in a form of crystalline electrotonal liquid light. Mawuthi uyalelisisa kahle usound no light uyabeza ukuthi bayangena kulezi idalwa, right? Masithi electrotonal sikhuluma ngomsindo, masithi light sikhuluma ngokukhanya. It's just that this light is liquid. Lalela crystalline electrotonal liquid light. Crystalline represents isimo salezo idalwa ukuthi yebo zazi ukukhanya zinomsindo phakathi, kodwa yonke leyo ngxubevane wena cabanga ilokhungana lento abathi crystal itshelele lesilaziyo la kwa earth. You know, uyalibona ukuthi leli yatshela ikhazimula kanjani nje iCrystal uyayazi ngihluleka nanokuyichaza, but iCrystal like iyakhazimula. Wena wabona idiamond icwengekile, ipure in light. That's why zathi mayivela zavela zikuleso simo of being a crystal, yet zinomsindo phakathi, zinokukhanya phakathi. Idalwa lezi you know, energetically sesingasho ukuthi i-energy construction enama-properties omsindo nokukhanya but yona iyi-crystal, iy'dalo. So lezi y'dalwa-ke yizona eziyi-blueprint ngoba lezi y'dalwa yize ezakhanda-ke yonke-ke into ekhona. Asenze i-recap-ke futhi sithi kukhona uNkulunkulu lo electromagnetism wakhipha iproperty yokuqala okuwumsindo, leyo umsindo yakhipha iproperty yesibili nayo noma yesithathu engokukhanya. Lezi idalwa ezumsindo nokukhanya zaseyihlangana ngoba nazo zayingafuni ukusuka kwiposition yazo yokuba uNkulunkulu, zasezifuna ukuthi ziqhubeke zidale, yes, but hayi ngesandla sezinye idalwa zayikhanda ke lezi idalwa zesi4. Lezi idalwa zesi4 yizona eziyi-blueprint. I-blueprint into eyi-foundation, into kuwukuthi yonke into ikhandelwa phekwayo. Yabona nje i-foundation yendlu yakini iyi-blueprint. Without indlu yakini ngeke kube, without i-foundation ngeke kube khona indlu yakini. So kuza kanjalo ukuthi sithi lezi idalwa ziyi-blueprint of the entire multiverse. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi lezi idalwa njoba ziyi-energy phela nazo ziyi-energy and zinama-properties ka-sound and light, kalizwi nokukhanya. Kusho ukuthi yonke into ekhandiwe in the universe ikhandwe lezi idalwa lezi zesi4. Kusho ukuthi inawo ama-frequency alezi idalwa. Kusho ukuthi when we go to the frequency spectrum of high and low, when you go to the lower densities of the frequency spectrum and everything that is created kuma lower dimensions, uzofica ukuthi yonke into lapho kuma lower dimensions ikhandwe nge-energy yazo lezi idalwa esiyishoyo. Yonke into in the universe inale energy noma le frequency yalezi idalwa. And le frequency yalezi idalwa ngesimanga sokuthi ziyi-crystal sengichazile, iyayele energy sibizwa ngokuthi it is the Christ. uChrist represents uCrystal njengoba sengichazile. Isimo uChrist represent isimo semizimba yalezi idalwa njengoba ngishilo ukuthi zipure, zingcwele, ziyakhazimula. That's why we use crystal. So it's called the Christ. Lama frequency basically they are called the Christos frequencies, coming from uCrystal. Isimo salezi idalwa engithi ziyi-blueprint zivele from ulizwi nokukhanya. Ulizwi nokukhanya bevela ku-electromagnetism okuNkulunkulu. Uyabona? So there we have it. NangoNkulunkulu usekhona. Uyabona ukuthi kusuke kanjani ngoba ngithe kuwe uqale wayedwa wayicabanga yonke lento sengikhulume ngayo ivela nje, zonke lezi idalwa sengikhulume kuvela nje ngoba useqale wacabanga kuqala, what meditate, wajula, waya deep ngazo zonke lezi zinto. Seziyamemfuka ke, seziyamanifesta ke, uyabona sekuyamanifesta ngoba kade libe kucabanga for a very long time. And futhi ngale kuye ke phela ke asikho isikhathi, akajahe ndawo, akazi nanokuthi yini isikhathi uNkulunkulu. Uyabona? So kufike kuba khona yena electromagnetism uNkulunkulu, umenzi wezinto zonke, umdali wezulu nomhlaba, umveli inqa. Uyabona? Ingakho ngithi ngisebenzisa impela lamagama wajwayele bona umveli inqa, ukuze uzo understand ukuthi lo mveli inqa wena kodwa ucabanga ngaye akusuye lo yana, ulo engikhuluma ngaye. Buka ke lo energy massive ikhande zonke izinto. Uyabona ukuthi nawe ikhona kuwe emzimbeni wakho? Uthandazelani pho? Uyiyo. Ungayithandaza kanjani into iyona ngabe uyayiphila? Kuza kanjalo ngihleze ngisho kwa TikTok, uNkulunkulu uyaphilwa ngoba lento ingaphakathi kuwe awukwazi ukuyicela uyifune ngaphandle ibila kuwe la. Kulungileke. Nangu lo uNkulunkulu wayesiyabona ukuthi yonke lento engicabangile ngifuna ukuyimanifesta. Uyabona? Kodwa angikwazi ukusuka kwiposition yami. Ake ngikhande izithendwa zami. Wakhanda umsindo. Sound. Physics yakhuluma about the sound and light properties. In fact, physics idila kakhulu about the sound and light. Ngiyakubona ke nje okunye chemistry and the forces of energy njalo njalo. But sound and light is emphasized the most about kufanele nabantu abenza art, uyabona, music, abaculi nabantu aba-active. That sound and light, ingoma nama movie phele uNkulunkulu loyo. That's why ubona nomhlaba udriver kangaka ube ucontroller ngani ngama movie nomculo. Umculo esiwulalela uyasilimaza spiritually, hayi physical. Ama movie siwabuka ayasilimaza spiritual, because they understand ukuthi that is images and sound. Izithombe nomsindo, ukukhanya nomsindo, electromagnetism. Those two, they have the power to shape and change any reality. That's why they're using it against us. Ukulungileke uNkulunkulu ke esemdalile ulizwi bese ethi lizwi mfowethu awuqhubeke nawe wenze nali iceba awungenzela lento ngiyakucela nayi konke kula wena okwakho ukuthi uwenze ngeke ucabange ngeke kwenze lutho thatha nayi blueprint ungenzele nayi lento ngicela ifavor lizwi ulizwi nangempela ngokuhlonipha uNkulunkulu wayesenaye ethi angifuni ukusuka la kuposition yami okay angikhando wami nami yabona wayese behavior saNkulunkulu ulizwi mekhando wakhe wakhanda ukukhanya nokukhanya naye ngoba way close to uNkulunkulu nolizwi wathi ngiyakuzwa lizwi uthi nama ngiqhubeke ngikhande kodwa nama ngifuna ukusuka kule position kusho ukukhanya usethi ukukhanya woza lizwi sihlangane mina nawe sihlanganisa amandla ami nawe oku sound no light lawo ma properties ukuze sizokwenzani mina nawe sizofezekisa leli ceba athe uNkulunkulu asilenze lokuthi siqhubeke sidale ngokuthi thina singasuki la sihleze sisondelene noNkulunkulu bese sikhando wethu kuyena ozoqhubeka akhande yonke into wayesevuma ulizwi bahlangana ulizwi nokukhanya bakhanda lezi idalwa lezi esithi zi crystalline electrotonal liquid light and ezi blueprint kusho ukuthi yonke multiverse isekelo sale multiverse ilezi idalwa lezi nama frequencies akhona and ama frequencies akhona are called the crystals frequencies because of isimo salezi idalwa of being in a form of crystal ziyakhazimula ngendlela eyisimanga lesi sidalwa masingafika sime phambi kwakho ngeke ubone kuyovela kube mhlophe uvaleke manje ngeke ubone zingcwele ngalo zikhanya ngalo ndlela ukukhanya kwakhona kuyamangalisa uyabona so hence the word crystal coming from the word Christ uyabona or the crystal siyokujula deep siya khona because ngiyikhela phezulu mangilibe ngithi crystal ngiyikhela phezulu idivideke kaningi into 3 sections kwayona ngoba no consciousness sisazogxila kuwo now no consciousness is divided into 3 ne energy ngokwayo angithi sikhuluma ngequantum science la iquantum science we're looking at the molecular structures of reality izinto ezincane to understand ukuthi lezi zinto ezinkulu esesizibona manje sikwazi ukuyithinta zikhandwe yini wena wabona isithombe se-TV right isithombe se-TV mawusondela kuyi-TV ubona ngama blocks akuncane ukuzikwele leyo nto ibizwa ngama pixels kusho ukuthi thina asibuki isithombe sonke se-TV njengamanje njengoba senza i-quantum science sibuka lama building blocks amancane uyabona i-quantum science ke leyo kulungile ke so kwase kubekwa kulezi idalwa ke eziyi-crystal lezi idalwa ngesimanga sale crystal zona ukubizwa kwazo zibizwa ngokuthi they are the crystals creator races ama frequencies aqhamuka kuzo njengoba ngithi zonke izinto ezidaliwe in the multiverse inala ma crystals frequencies ama frequencies aqhamuka kulezi idalwa they are called the crystals frequencies ukushuthi sinezinto eziwuthula sinamagama awu2 we have idalwa ezibizwa ngokuthi they are the crystals creator races ziphethe ama forces of creation asisho kanjalo lawo ma forces of creation they are called the crystals frequencies okusho ukuthi sonke isidalwa njengoba sikhona kumele sibe nawo lama frequencies and they are called the crystals frequencies isidalwa esingenawo lama crystals frequencies kuyabe sekusetshenziswa igama elithi anti noma anti abafunde kakhulu abathwengayo nabarolayo kusho ukuthi instead of saying crystals sizothi anti-crystals noma anti-crystals lavela kanjalo ke igama elithi antichrist ngoba uantichrist usho ukuthi wena njengesidalo awusenawo lama crystals frequencies akukhanda kusho menza awusawatholi energy kaNkulunkulu awusayitholi ngoba uNkulunkulu energy yakhe ukuzingene into the entire multiverse uyithumela kulizwi isuka kuye ayithumele kulizwi ulizwi ayiswe kukukhanya ukukhanya ayise into the crystals beings ama crystals beings leyo energy ayiphakela imultiverse yonke wena ma usungawa receive lawo ma frequencies noma leyo energy kusho ukuthi wena you are now anti-christic or anti-christic lama fallen angels engihleze ngisho esisazongena sigxile kuwo wona njengoba enza kanjena nje behavior kanje kusho ukuthi awasawa receive lama frequencies that's why they are called the mawuzwa nje kuthiwa antichrist keep Lucifer ekhanda cabanga ngama fallen angels. Ama-fallen angels iy'dalwa zokuqala ezayihlamuka kumdali. And leyo nto eBhayibhelini bayichaza ngegama elilodwa elithi Lucifer. Yes, bambiza nge-fallen angel, but they don't tell you ukuthi kwakuwa ama-angel izethenjwa kaNkulunkulu ezaziningi zivela from kuluphi uhlangothi, zivela from the Christos races noma the Christos creator beings. The Christos creator beings la ngibasho ngithi bona bayi-blueprint. In the beginning babe banye, be-unity, beyimbumba nje. Ngichazile futhi lokho in the previous video. Babe into eyodwa. Base behlukana phakathi ke sekwenzakala lento ekuthiwa i-mental convolution. Sebeqala manje ngoba yonke into bayinama Christos mayinama frequencies of the Christ lawa kaNkulunkulu ihlezi icabanga in correlation with God. Mayise ingawatholi lawo ma frequency leso sidalwa leso siyabe sesicabanga izinto engahambelani nomdala. That's why ama-fallen angels esecabanga ukuyi-destroy universe begqilaze thina o-colonization, ubugqila, i-governance, zonke lezo zinto eqhamuka kuNkulunkulu. Ukuhola abantu, ugovernment, ipolitiki, ama-influence, ama-programs ngishilo ngiqala ivideo, ama-programs we-matrix system eyengamelwe ngama-fallen angels ukusidukisa. Why yenza lokho? Ngoba awasayi-receive i-energy kaNkulunkulu le sithi ingama-Christos frequencies. Ngoba kube besayi-receive the energy lezi idalwa bezingeke icabange ukuthi zenze lento ngoba bezizobe zi-aligned noNkulunkulu. Kusho ukuthi zenza yonke lento ngoba sezi-misaligned from uNkulunkulu. Uyabona? Yilokho nje engifuna sikwazi for now bafethu. Uyabona? Asikakachaza okuningi besakuchazela nje ukuthi okay nangu ya uNkulunkulu uyini unje okay yonke into nje basesinayo namhlanje ebonakalayo wayikhanda kanjani. Okay yena usuke from being an energy as the cause wadala izinto ezi-physical ezi-biological as the effects. Uyabona? From there on sasingakhuluma ke ngamanye ama dimensions nayo i-multiverse yonke ngoba ihlukene uhlezi ungizwa ngikhuluma igama elithi multiverse. Nithi universe, nithi galaxy, nithi stellar, nithi solar system, nithi celestial bodies, nithi planets. Bese kuyima ngithi environment, ilwana abantu njalo nje. Thina nje uyabona ukuthi iBhayibheli liyasirobha manje zosiqalisa lana nje sekukwa earth. Uyacabanga ukuthi mangaka ama planets akhona mfowethu in the entire multiverse, billions and billions. But thina siqhamuka sesitshelwa nje ngoplanet earth. Yonke leya creation process echazeka lapha eBhayibhelini ungathi wena kukhulunywa nje yonke lento ade ngiyichaza bayikhela phezulu baqhamuka sebethi sila kwa earth, instead of ukuchaza ukuthi uearth inaye falls under the solar system, the solar system falls under the stellar falls under the galaxy falls under the universe falls under the entire multiverse. The entire multiverse was manifested by the primal source of energy, okuNkulunkulu, the infinite source of energy. Uyabona? So ngokuzayo ke ngoba usuya understanda ke lokho. Ngokuzayo sizongena sigxile bafethu endabeni kaJesu. Sizokhuluma ngoJesu, sikhulume ngento ekuthiwa iChrist consciousness. Ongathi mawuthanda iChrist oil, uyabona? U-understand ukuthi kwakubani uJesu. Yini kahle kahle into ekuthiwa iChrist. And uzo understand ukuthi leli gama engiqeda ukulisho engithi it's the Christos frequencies and the Christos creator beings. Kweza kanjalo ukuthi lelo gama leli akusisi isingisi uChrist. La kama leli gama lithi Christ or Christos noma Jesus Christ comes from this crystala ekade ngisho noma this Christ or these Christos frequencies. Okusho ukuthi makuthiwa Christ and uJesu uphila ngaphakathi kuwe kukhulunywa ngalama frequency akhanda iuniverse ukuthi akuwe uJesu Yesu wafika naye wayenawo lama frequency. That's why akwazi ukuhamba phezu kwamanzi because lama frequency yiwo akhanda yonke into esiyaziyo. Umthetho wegravity wawungaba ubani kuJesu ukuthi uJesu ungamvumeli ukuthi ahambe emanzini ngoba wayenalama frequency akhanda amanzi anyway emzimbeni wakhe. So kusho ukuthi isihlahla sasimlalela uJesu ngoba sasibona uNkulunkulu. Mangithi uNkulunkulu ngisho lama frequency. Now mawusunalama frequency mfowethu you can do almost everything uJesu ayenza. That's why I always say ukuthi uJesu came here as a reminder to us ukuthi nani niyiyo lento eningibona ngiyiyo. Imfundiso zakhe zatwistwa ke emva kokuba eseyenze lento ekuthiwa iascension. washiye ebhalile la incwadi inqwaba ezibizwa ngama-Ascent Teachings, Maharata books, ezaziwu-560 something, ayithatha amaRoma abhala iBhayibheli, babhekisa le batshekisa. Why? Because base befuna ukusenza igqila. They were under a political agenda, because uyabona ukuthi yonke lento sasesiyifundiswa uJesu ukuthi singuNkulunkulu, sasingeke siyawadinga amaRoma nepolitiki nazo zonke izinto zepolitiki ezazenzeka ngaleso sikhathi. So it was necessary for amaRoma ukuthi athathe lolu lwazi alifihle, because lolu lwazi lwalizosenza sibe onkulunkulu. Uyabona? So uJesus Christ hayi ukuthi umntwana kaNkulunkulu thina sizoni, cha. Wayezela njengesikhumbuzo futhi wayezosifaka imvubu ukuthi hey, vukani nina. Anazi ukuthi noNkulunkulu ndlela ningoNkulunkulu. Wayezosenza lokho uJesu. Wayengazili ukuthi hey, yimi njalo uNkulunkulu, khonzani mina ngiyindodana kaNkulunkulu, nina nizoni, vulana amasonto ninikele. AmaRoma onke lawo umlando bafethu sesiyawazi, siyazi ngeCouncil of Nicaea nokukhandwa kweBhayibheli. Uyabona? So that's why uyawungizwe nami ngihlonipha iBhayibheli, angifuni ukulahla lonke completely, because I understand ukuthi la bhalwa izisekelo zalo zi-original, Ascension teachings kaYeshua, not even uJesus. uJesus is a code name efana no Amen, no Ra, zonke lezi ama-codes esiwasho njalo every day masithandaza noma simeditate sibiza lamagama, hawu Jesu ngihawukele, hawu Amen siyabonga nani Ra kwababhilivela kwi-Egyptian mythology. Ama-codes lawo alama-fallen entities asakha i-energy yethu every time masibiza amagama awo. Wena ungathandaza ubhekise kuNkulunkulu umveli nqangi lo kade ngimusho oyi-energy, but once wathi Amen, ngeke kusaya kulo nkulunkulu, sekuzoya Amen. Once wathi Jehova, ngeke kusaya kulo nkulunkulu, sekuzoya Jehova. Lo oyi-fallen angel, Jehovah is a fallen angel. In fact, it's not even one entity, it's many entities. Abizwa ngama-Jehovian Anunnaki. Asebenzisana namanye amalokhunga nama-fallen angels maningi, khona ma-reptilians, o-draconians, o-omicron, o-zeta, you know, maningi ayibhodi. Onke lama-fallen angels alahlekelwa yileya energy engithe iChrist, ngoba ngithe uma usenaleya energy esithi iChrist wenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Once yakulahlekela wenza okuphambene noNkulunkulu, uwabone behavior kanjena enza yonke lento ehlukumeza umhlaba, efuna ukubulala impilo, ba evil nani, because sebelahlekelwe yi-energy kaNkulunkulu. Thina njengoba usibona besibhayizisa nje, sathunyelwa ukuthi sizobasiza. Njoba ubona besifake ngaphansi kwama-chains besibophile, abafuni usizo lwethu, so therefore basenza igqila, basenza sikhohle ukuthi sizeleni lana, bafike basiphilisa impilo esasingadalelwanga ukuthi siphile. Ukuvuka nje ekseni uye emsebenzini, that is not divine. uNkulunkulu wakuthumela la ukuthi uzolwa wena, hayi ukuthi uzokhokha ama-bills, uthenga imoto njalo all those things. So on the next episode bafethu sizongena sigxileke kwindaba kaJesu. So kuyobe kuJesu nje on the next episode, uJesu nje strictly. Welandelayo ke i-episode siyangena futhi siyagxila kuma-fallen angels. Kubalekile ukuthi yabona ngisakhuluma ngalezi zinto zo-3, uNkulunkulu nemvelaphi yakhe, nanokuthi izinto zazi kanjani eqaleni, zonakala kanjani. Yini ebalekile kumele uyazi? The Christ, ngoba ama-frequencies of creation la uJesu ayenawo. Yini futhi okunye okubalekile kumele ukwazi? Ama-fallen angels. Ngiku-align kulezo ngxenye lezo ze-spirituality nomlando wethu and this cosmic history and this energetic history, ngethembe ukusuka lapho uyaphambili usuzokwazi uku-understand amanga. Ngisho ufunda incwadi, ngisho uze umuntu ubukela i-influencer kwa-TikTok, ngisho ubuka u-YouTube, usuzokwazi uku-understand amanga. Nomuntu ongakakhulu ongenalo olwazi lwakhe lisasehlaza usuzokwazi ukumbona, because uzobusuna le information. Le information is the primal source. Ukhumbule ngithe sibuka impilo mfowethu umsuka umnyombo ingxabo yempilo. Ngize ngenza i-example ngama-pixels, ngathi yonke lento esiyenza la i-quantum science, yonke lento esiyichazayo, it happens in the unseen realities, eyimfihlakalweni ezijulile. Uyabona? So kunjalo bafowethu, ngiyabonga nje ukuthi nikwazi ukungithamela ngalesi sikhathi bafowethu. Uphinde ukwazi ukuthi usijoyine na next time sizokhuluma kabanzi ngendaba kaChrist noma iChrist or iChrist consciousness or the crystal amawuthanda. uyabona ukuze sizo understand abafethu ngoba sidukisiwe kakhulu especially lana mase kufika kuJesu siyayidumisa noma siyamdumisa umuntu owayezosikhumbuza into nathi esasiyona kwakumele ngabe siyayiphila kumanje futhi ungabi neego ucabanga ukuthi ukuba uNkulunkulu kusho ukuthi manje sengumele ngwazi nami ukuhamba emanzini no man la uhlala khona ekasi lakho ungasayibuki nje njengomjida wasekasi man you are a small aspect of God ungazufuna into ezinkulu ukuthi hawusho kanjani manguNkulunkulu yini pho ngakwazi ukundisa yini mama nguNkulunkulu ngakwazi ukuhamba emanzini no suka lapho understand ukuthi kuningi ama fallen angels asekufake ngaphansi kwakho okukwenza ukuthi uyikhohle kusamele uactivate ama DNA strands wakho kusamele uyiclean kusamele udetox kusamele kuvuleke isoli kamoya kusamele kunyuka ikhundalini kusamele kwehle iChristu kusamele kuvuleke ama chakra before you become lo uNkulunkulu but ukuthi akakenzeki akusho ukuthi awusuyena qala manje. One of the things that are going to speed up the processes of you becoming God is you believing that you are God. Uyabona? So ngakuza kwethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngiphinde nithamele bafowethu. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi ningeseke bafowethu kuma platform social platforms la eningakhona khona. Ku Facebook ngikhona bafowethu uhlula umthakathi wakamhloli. Uyabona? Abantu abaningi ngeke ngibone ukuthi liyabahlula leli gama ekakhulukazi la ku YouTube mabethi bayalisesha aliveli. Uhlula umthakathi hlula mhlambe wena uyalihlanganisa. Ngicela ulibhale uthi HLUL bese ufaka uapostrophe bese uthi UMTHAKATHI. Inkinga umehluko lo apostrophe lo yaqwi uyabona umbhale nje kanjalo. Alright la ku YouTube ungasubscribe ama ukuthi it's your first time ubukele le content noma ama contents wami ngiyacela ukuthi njalo uma ngabe uqeda ukubuka i video uyilike ucofe lesiyasithupha. Okwesibili comment mfowethu noma nje ungazi ukuthi uzothini noma nje uvela usend idot ufake idot ulisende noma usend iheart noma emoji noma yipi yabo you don't have to ube nento ozoyisho just uma ucommentile mfowethu ngiyacela because kusiza ialgorithm yala kwa YouTube ukuthi ibone ukuthi cha ngiyasebenza uyabona. Ebese okwesithathu ke kuno share button leli elinentetheka kanje uyabo le ethe umciphusholo lo othe ucofele lo button izokunikeza ama option ukuthi ukhophe ilink uyoyiposta ku status sakho sa WhatsApp uyiposte ku Instagram wakho uyiposte kuphi na ushare nje uyabona ngendlela ongashare ngazo uyabona. That is how you are going to make sure ukuthi umyalezo wami mawukuthi now uya understand uyawufila and uyayithinta inhliziyo yakho you feel ukuthi lo bhuti ngathi lezi zinto ayikhulumayo ziyiqiniso ngingathanda yazi ukuthi nomakhelwane wamayizwe lento eshoyo lo bhuti ngingathanda yazi ukuthi nasesontweni bayizwe lento yazi bengingathanda ukuthi lenyanga yangakithi iyizwe lento khona bezophuma abantu abaningi emaketangweni ngoba siboshiwe siyasaba ngisho ukuphuma emathongweni nasemasontweni siyabona ukuthi isonto namathongo akusisebenzeli siyakwenza sigcina imithetho yabo why siyesaba. Lo nkulunkulu ekade ngimchaza uke waza nje ngichaza ifear ngoba ngithi lo nkulunkulu uyi-energy uphila kuyi substance nawe uye akho kusaba lapha awunasono wena awusatshiswa wena uyabona nje it's total freedom and I'm here to usher people into that freedom uyabona. So ngisize nawe mfowethu ubhebhethekise umyalezo wami ngaleyo ndlela uyayilike ivideo yami uyayishare and uyasubscribe ama usubscribe ile futhi upress that notification icon insimbi le encane nje eno scratch kanje mawuyipress uyasuka lo scratch kusho ukuthi manje mangi-upload content bazokwazi abaka YouTube ukuthi bakwazise ukuthi uhlula umthakathi uqeda ukupload uyabona. Ya bafethu singakho sanamhlanje isiqephe benginiphathele sona ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi nithamele ngiyathemba ukuthi impela sonto yenu izoba yinhle so phinde sibonane futhi next week ngolesithathu uyabona siyabonga kakhulu.